firstly talk about the general specifications of Sony Xperia XZ Pro. Operating system will be Android 8.0 Oreo. It will be dustproof and waterproof. And it will be available in two colors: dark blue, black, and gray. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Sony Xperia XZ Pro. 5.7 inches OLED Infinite TouchScreen Triluminous 4K display with Gorilla Glass 6. And some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Sony Xperia XZ Pro. Processor is going to be 2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, whereas the RAM will be 6 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Sony Xperia XZ Pro. Rear camera will be dual cameras 23 megapixel, and front camera will have 16 megapixel. Dual tone LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Sony Xperia XZ Pro. The internally available storage will be 128 GB and is non-expandable. 6. At last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 3400 mAh non-removable with quick charging. Moving forward now we shall discuss the price and release date of Sony Xperia XZ Pro. The expected price is $630 US dollars.